All right, guys. So the blackfish bite kind of died for me. Well, I just couldn't get past all the sea bass and porgies. So I'm hitting a lot of sea bass. I'm gonna try to actually jig them up with some soft plastics, which usually works pretty well for me. I'm marking them pretty good. I could usually cull out some of the bigger fish instead of using crabs or bait, or even gulp sometimes gives me the smaller ones. So the soft plastics usually do the trick. These bigger fish. Let's see. There. Ooh, did it break me off? No. Pretty big marks here. Got a hit. There he is. Oh, all right. Yeah, boy. Everything feels good on this rod. Ooh. Oh, okay. Still short. So, I don't know. Yeah, still short. Probably another 14, 15 incher. All right. Still fun on these big soft plastics. Yeah. So I like to experiment now. So I caught on that soft plastic. Now I'm gonna see which soft plastic they like better. Let's give it a quick switch. All right, guys. So we went from a bass assassin to an Algags whippet fish, which is my favorite paddle tail so far, especially for these sea bass. But they seem to be roaming around. They're not holding to a particular spot, so we'll see if we can get them again, find them. Oh, that's the bottom. All right. So they're not liking this one as much. Same weight, same everything, same shape. So what is it? See that? This is just a drop longer, but we're gonna switch this again, and see if we can get them. I'll even add a little scent just for a little extra gripping power for these guys here. Let's see if we can get them to hit now. Oh, that's one. There he is. Alright, well, they're fun. They're not keepers. They were keepers like 4 or 5 years ago. But, that's a decent fish. I'm gonna measure them just because, but it's probably 16. Let's see. Oh, he might keep, actually. Let's see. Okay. Nah. Oh, here we go. I'm gonna lose him anyway. Oh, he keeps. He's 17. Thank you. That's a nice. Oh, don't lose him. Oh, almost lost him twice already. Jeez Louise. Fucking tangle up here. Well, now that my outing is almost over, I kind of gotta go. I want to try to get a couple more in the cooler here. I was in deeper water, and now I came to the shallows, and here they were. So let's see if we can get a couple more with the soft plastics here. All right. I don't have much more time to fish. Well, let's make it count. Let's see. I love fishing these big soft plastics for these sea bass because usually it eliminates the small ones. Usually, not always. Oof, that was a good hit. Oh, that was a porgy now. Come on, now that I got one keeper, now we're just gonna get the porgies? Oh. Well, that's a good fish. Another good one. Oh yeah. That might keep just at 16.5, 17. Here we go. Oh man, yeah, these things are really strong today. Wow. You guys are really strong today, huh? Tearing up my hand. Okay. Making it impossible for me to measure you, guy. Okay. There's my jig. Get that out of the way. Perfect. I'm pretty sure he's a keep. Let's see. And I got more of you to catch, so here we go. Let's get this in here. Don't spike me, don't spike me. All right, there's another one. 17 3/4. Come on, I'll bleed you when you get back. Get back on it. Let's get back on it. Ooh, another big one. Come on, baby. I might like kind of chop it there. There he is. Oh. Yeah. Ooh, giant porgy. Giant porgy. Nice. I'll take you. But now, oh no, they chopped my tail off. I'll throw another one on. Here we go. All right, so my GoPro batteries died. I was out there for a little bit longer than I was supposed to be, but the bite really turned on, and I wound up with 4 keeper sea bass, and I kept 6 porgies, all the big ones. It was a lot more porgies than that, and this was in eastern Long Island Sound, on a Long Island side, and it was, I believe, October 13th. All right, everyone, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more action, hopefully before the season's over.